Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolio channel. Today I would like to talk about DoubleZero targets updates after listing with my customer set and initiation accumulation pump model. Let's dive in. Well, guys, after listing we use initiation accumulation pump model. I use the KuCoin because it's still not listed on the BitGet. Usually the BitGet list with the lowest price target, but on a Binance 5 cents listing, on Bybit 7 cents, and on the KuCoin 1 cent. That's why we use the lowest listing price. You can use any exchange, I just my personal experience, so I try to identify the lowest zone of interest to reduce the risk. If the token not drop to this zone of interest, I just skip the token. It's not a problem to skip some virtual internet token, not buying, not waste the money. We can't buy every single token, guys. It's a fact. Only fancy influencer shield you all the time buy the deep for every single token because they have like unlimited budget, right? Fake unlimited budget. This is a zone of interest, so it's 30 cents, 38, 23, 44. It's the first zone of interest, guys. It's not a necessary so the token will drop to this zone. You build a plan. I'm always about a plan. So if you got a plan, the plan can be after the fact, right or wrong. But if you just buy now, this is just a gambling. If you, of course, have just a good reason to buy this token at 55 cents 25 after listing, it's your plan. My plan, I just share in this video. Also, this is going to be the zone of fixation, swing trade by seasonality. Most likely this token will hit the new all-time high. If this token is not a pure scam, after the fact, only we can know, and we will see it. So what we can see now, by metrics, almost 2 billion market capitalization after listing, kind of weird. FDV 5.59 billion, also kind of weird. You know why it's weird? Because the token just listed, and some major, phenomenal, great projects still under 300 million market capitalization and just random DoubleZero token on the Sol with 2 billion market capitalization after listing. This is kind of weird. Fundraising rounds, guys. 25, so March 25 and April 25 ICO. No data about the price, so it's need to double check on a coin list what the price was for ICO round, and 1 year cliff, right? Vesting shadow. So unlock next one will be, if it's true, right, only in May 26. It's kind of interesting, right? So the token lock it for 6 months. Foundation, TGA, foundation ecosystem, 100% TGA, validators, batch 1 unlock, so October, yes, till April and May, 26. Interesting. What does it mean? It means basically if this data is correct, there is no crazy seller pressure after listing. That's why, yes, most likely if the market will go to correction now, for example, to BTC to 116, for example, we can drop to 30 cents 23. This is the first zone of interest with the fixation swing trades here in this zone. If the token dump to this block, your fixation zone is here, 300% or 695, and new all-time high. But the capitalization already kind of big one, 2 billion, so it's not a low cap token, right? 12 time frame, nothing changed, but here this is a zone like 13 and 9 cents. I don't think so. We will see this zone. So what we can see here on 4 time frame, we got a reaction from that block, and now the reward firstly will be to 45.89, 37, 31, 30, 38. Let's double check with my customer set what's going on now after leasing. Of course, guys, you can say, oh, it's not enough data for analysis, guys. It's enough data because we use the initiation accumulation pump model, and this model get a pretty good win rate because usually the market makers, what I realize, in the last 3 years, use absolutely the same pattern for the tokens after leasing. So the 1 hour time frame, now based on ADZ, we're just in the middle, so this is not accumulation, not a distribution. So Nothing special. By the way, now it's a Friday, so before the weekends we can see some sell-off. But guys, it's just my personal thoughts, my personal idea. Based on money power, we at the almost at the bottom, but without any money inflow. 30 minutes time frame, money in was here, and we bounced it. But take a look. This was just a local bounce, like 10%. With 10x, it could be the 100% profit. Nice one, nice one. But this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the same money inflow on 4 time frame and 12 time frame. DoubleZero and other innovation finance. So you can read the latest news if you're interested in on TradingView. Trade on. No data on 30 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. 15 minute time frame. No data. 5 minutes time frame. Here, buy, sell, take profit, buy, recommendation close position, buy, recommendation close position, take profit, sell. That's why, guys, I hope and I think we will drop to 45, 37. Maybe we'll not drop to the zone of interest. If the token not drop, I skip it. I'm not touching. Even if this token skyrocket to the moon after that, it's okay. So zone of interest relevant. Take profit. No data. 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Here. Buy line now on the 5 minutes time frame is 36.48. This is a buy line. Take profit line at 72.46. Is it possible to see this scenario? Yes. Because BTC dominance now 58%, and we can go to 60. And if we go to 60%, the liquidity will outflow from the alts into BTC. That's why, guys, be careful, especially before the weekend. So my zone of interest I share with you. We'll come back to this video later and double check. Is this plan correct or wrong? And it's okay to be wrong, guys, but at least you build a proper plan and you follow that plan for each token. So, guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer, as I was showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.